Hi everyone! Welcome to Kamustahang PG, ang kamustahan ng Pilipinas at Guam. Kamusta kayong lahat dyan?
Hi everyone!
Okay, so mabilis lang tayo today.
Yeah.
But first of all,
belated happy birthday to my brother, kay
belated
Marvin.
happy birthday.
July
Marvin.
27.
July 27. Belated happy birthday, Marvin. And,
Love you, bro!
Yeah, congrats nga pala.
Yeah, congrats.
Yeah, and so mabilis lang. Medyo matumal this week. Pero meron siyang isang for women na update sa pabango in Borderlands. Pakita mo.
Ano ba yan? May bago na naman?
May nakita kaming isa lang. Pero nakakasama din kasi siya sa top 10 ng for women's.
One of the hidden gems
Hidden gems. So, this is Fantasy by Britney Spears. So, huwag niyong kasama to usually sa top 10 ng women's fragrances today, kahit ang mga critics. So,
bakit ba siya naging nakakasama sa top 10?
Kasi, tingnan, yeah, so okay siya. Nakikipagsabayan siya sa mga premium na mga fragrances. Let's say, nakikipagsabayan siya sa mga Victor and Rolf na Flower Bomb. Sumasabay siya sa
talaga? Tingin nga.
Mga candy sugar. Yung sugar.
Nice.
Sumasabay siya.
Bango.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So, yun.
Bango.
Rating mo?
For me, 8 over 10.
8 over 10.
Okay.
Ako ay 7. So, 7.5.
Okay.
7.5.
I don't know kung naglalas siya ng matagal.
I think so. Kasi mukha namang concentrated yung paging... It's mostly sweet. Sweet fragrance. So, I think naman nagtatagal siya.
So, mapapa-oops ay dididagin ka.
Mapapa-Britney Spears. So, I did something interesting. Bumili ako ng sarili ko. Bumili ako ng sarili kong Tommy. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Yung sa pabangoin Borderlands ay buong buo. It's right here. So, dahil gusto ko yung scent niya and gusto ko rin kasing maamoy niya. As I said, I stay strong na 8 siya. And gusto ko rin maamoy niya. What do you think, baby? Officially 8 siya. Dalawa na kaming nag-judge. Okay? And then just for fun, kasi medyo unfair nga naman na ako lang yung nag-rate.
Ano naman yan?
Kasi unfair naman na ako lang yung nag-rate ito. Di ba sabi ko 7? So papamigay lang din naman natin. Hindi papamigay ko na rin sa'yo. This is Polo Sport by Ralph Lauren. Gusto ko lang maamoy ni Mrs. before natin siya ipamigay. Classic bottle!
Wait, yeah.
Classic bottle. I remember my college days.
Oh, college days.
Yes. Yan ang Polo Sport. Di ba? Ang bango.
Yeah, parang fresh na fresh dating.
Parang fresh out of the shower na bagong shower gel.
Yeah, fresh na fresh.
Di ba? Ang bango. Pero, 1 or 2 hours lang yun. Wala na agad. So, anong rating mo?
7.5.
So ako 7.5 sa kanya. So let's say 7.3. So tumaas naman ng konti dahil sa rating niya. So okay. So let's move on. Kumain kami sa isang Vietnamese restaurant named Truong. Yeah. So we had the crispy noodles, we had the pork chop, we had the ribs. These are Vietnamese cuisine, ha. They had yung parang lumpia na babalutin mo with the bok choy ba yun? Or tapos may kasamang toge and parang noodle type, glass noodles. So, ano pa ba tayo nun? Yun, so
parang may pancit sila doon. Ano yun?
Yung crispy...
crispy noodles yun.
Yeah. Tapos, and then meron pa silang
the
beef.
Ribs and... Ano yung isa?
We had pork chop, ribs, and yung beef na parang may kasamang... Hindi siya kimchi. I'm sure it's not kimchi. It's Vietnamese in the first place. Pero meron parang beef na may konting spices. So, okay. So, all in all, kung turista ka, do you recommend going to Truong's? Yes. Yeah. Masarap sa Truong's. It's especially among my friends sa GRMC, they always crave yung pork chop nila. Specifically. Yung pork chop nila doon sa Truong's. I'm guessing na enjoy mo sobra yung lumpia, no? Yung parang babalutin mo kasi ikaw yung gagawa. Babalutin mo siya.
With the noodles, parang sotanghon and toge. Yan.
And then may special siyang sausawan. I really enjoyed that. Ilalagay ko mga pictures. Hopefully na picture natin. Yeah, ilalagay ko mga pictures dyan. And then, ako si Marvel Jesus. Siya si Logan.
Wolverine.
we watched Deadpool and Wolverine. Anong rating natin?
Definitely 10.
10 out of 10. I mean, it's no surprise. Simula nung nag-pandemic, pinanood lang na ata namin sa sinihan other than this is Top Gun, which is wala ka pa nandito. And then kahit yun, medyo alanganin pa. Pero ito talaga, sobrang worth it panoorin sa sinihan. So guys, panoorin nyo sa sinihan.
Comedy, action,
breaking the fourth wall, third wall, fourth wall. Ang saya.
Sobrang tawa.
Yeah.
Ano po yun?
And yung humor niya is hindi basic. Advanced humor siya. The action is top of...
it's about the friendship.
Yeah. And then yun.
Diba?
This is the first time na sinuot ni Logan yung yellow uniform niya, which is very iconic. So, you guys must watch. So, meron kang balita para sa amin, baby?
Ano yan? Philippines has captured ASEAN first gold at the Paris Olympics. Congratulations!
Congratulations to
Carlos Yulo for getting the second ever gold medal of the Philippines in the history of Olympics.
So, history of Olympics, this is our second gold. Pangalawa kay Hidilyn Diaz. For weightlifting. Ito naman si Carlos Yulo is for...
Congrats!
Gymnastics ba yun?
Gymnastics.
Yeah.
Magaling siya, ha?
Congrats Carlos Yulo. But, speaking of yung Olympics na yan, Paris, I'm very, very disgusted and disappointed with Paris and how they portrayed or played the opening ceremony. Meron pa silang mga palusot na hindi naman daw to ganyan, hindi to ganyan. Pero hindi lang yung Last Supper yung merong parang mockery eh. Meron pang yung white horse, yung bull. Marami silang ginawang, you know what? I think it's testing it. It's testing our faith.
Parang devils.
Yeah. They wanted to mock you as the religion. And if hindi tayo nagre-react, isipin nila na okay lang pala. Because I dare them to do the same to Allah and the Quran. Hindi nila kayang gawin yan, promise. Medyo I'm very disappointed. Hindi na kami pupunta ng Paris, promise. No. Kung ganyan yung mga tao, no.
Okay.
And then, yan pa. Pinayagan nila
na may sumali.
Na may mga sumasaling transgender.
Which is parang...
Okay, so, for the defense of that boxer,
sige,
hindi naman siya pala talaga transgender.
Oh.
May sakit lang siya na kagaya ni... Once upon a time, nagkaroon tayo ng Olympic player, runner siya na meron siyang sakit na parang very male-like yung features niya. So of course, mabilis siyang tumakbo compared sa mga babae. Filipina Olympian named Nancy Navalta. she has the same genetics as this one, si Khalif. Difference is, nung sumali si Nancy noon, dinisqualify nila siya. Pero ngayon, which is worse, kasi boxing yung laban. Which is talagang against the other female. So, ngayon, si Nancy na-disqualify, pero ito, pinayagan nila, yan, knockout yung mga babae.
Yeah.
So, it all started with a joke. Ngayon, tinutotoo nila. And now it's so funny and sad at the same time. So, yun. Maraming shortcomings sa Olympics this year. So, ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa Olympics na yun? Mula dun sa ceremony at sa mga pinapayagan nila ng
na-disappointed
ka rin.
Kasi syempre sa Catholic, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang, basta na ano ko.
Nainis ka. Pero, a difference nating dalawa. Ako, feeling ko dapat, we have to let them know. Otherwise, kasi ikaw, I feel like gusto mong pabayaan na lang sila, huwag mo na lang silang pansinin. Which is, I respect.
Isip ko is, si Lord na lang bahala sa kanila.
Which is good. I mean, I respect that. But, in my opinion,
iba naman kami.
I want them to know na this is not okay with me. This is not okay, and they need to apologize, and they have to make amends of what they've done. It's blasphemy. And pati kayong Esquire Philippines, pinagtatanggol nyo pa. Ngayon, nakakaya kayo ngayon kasi pinagtanggol nyo yung Olympics, pero yung Olympics nag-sorry. So ano kayo ngayon? Nagsusorry sila, although I don't feel like it's sincere, pero sorry naman yung Paris. And then kayo ngayong Esquire Philippines, masyado kayong sumawsaw ngayon. I don't know how you're gonna get out of this water. So, anyway, mabilis lang kami. We really enjoyed Deadpool and Wolverine. Must watch. We will see you guys again next week. Sorry, medyo delayed siguro today kasi medyo marami kaming ganap. So, we will see you again. We will see you guys again next week. Same day. If you have any opinions against or with me, or you need to correct something that I said, put it in the comments. I'll for sure I will read it and I will respond to it. Please like, share, and subscribe
to our channel.
Sige, ilalagay din namin yan sa YouTube kami. Sige, pwede. Okay. So, yeah. See you guys again.